So now by mistake also I don't want anyone mic or video. Good morning student. We have learned number line. What are the coordinate? What are the symbols? Number represent on a number line. Zero on from the zero right hand side positive, from the zero left hand side negative, and without crossing the finger how two numbers we can compare. And then we have seen fraction comparison. Then we have seen to convert fraction number into decimal number. So by that only we will start, and then diagram. So this chapter will be over. Suppose it is 7 by 6. So 7 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 1. So point here 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 6 are 36. So it is coming 6666 again. So 7 by 6 is equal to 1.1666. So this how to write in short. You can make a dot, you can make a line. That means that number are repeating again and again. 5 by 6. So 5 by 6. Division not possible. So take 0. 6 8s are 48. 2 remain 0. 0. 6 3s are 18. 2. Again 6 3s are 18. So 5 by 6 is equal to 0.8333. That you can write 5 by 6 this is called recurring number. Again numbers are coming same and same. For a bigger number 22 by 7. So 22 by 7. So it is 3s are 7 3s are 21. 22 minus 21 is equal to 1. Now 7 1s are 7 4s are 7 2s are 7 8s are 7 5s are 7 7s are. So see 10 again. So 7 1s are. So again it will come 1 4 2 8 5 7. 1 4 2 8 5 7. Then 1 4 2 8 5 7. So this number will recurring. So 22 by 7 is equal to 3.14285 14287. So 3.14287. That only will recur, will come again and again. In out. Okay. Now with minus we will see minus 103 divided by 5. In previous lecture I have given you the best idea to divide by 5 means that number you have to make it double, so it is 206 and from back side 1 decimal cut, so this one will be your answer. But let's check by practically individual this steps. Five to the 10, V3 it will not work, 0.006 but if it is minus, see by actual division and by my method. So 3 now 9 by 14, so 9 14 14 1 14, so it is less than 14, so 0.14 14 6 are 84, 6 remain. Sudeep, why you are making your video on? Sudeep, wait, after this lecture I am calling you. Wait. Putting 4s are 24 2s are 14 8s are 8 is not repeating. 5s are 3s are, now it is repeating. So like that Dubey Purabya, now you are coming. So it is 70. Then is there 6428 5 this, so 7. Ones are 16. So again it will be 6 4 2 8 5 7 1. So what is the answer? 9 by 14, 0.6428751. Then again that is repeating. So this line means these numbers coming again and again in that sequence only. Screen is blurred. Wait. Here it is clear. Wait. Aniruddha, yesterday I have tried to call you. You want to become, there's no host for that purpose, but your phone is switch off, message is not going, call is not going. You please call me after this lecture for your help. Now diagrams. Diagrams are very important to show irrational number on number line. What is the question? To show irrational number on number line. So how to do that? You have seen, I have to work away from the mobile, away from the laptop on the board, so I can't see that who is sharing the screen, whose mic is on, whose video is on. So for that I need at least one help, that student can remove this who are disturbing. Now root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. 4 diagram, very important. On every number line, zero. Slightly on left side you have to show 0, 0. Take a 3 centimeter distance. At 3 centimeter 1, at 3 centimeter 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Again my icon. See the students are not following rules and regulation. Why they are coming? One, two. In all 4 diagram, draw number line. 0 slightly left side, only -1 you have to show, 1 and 2. Now first we have to show root 2. So on number 1, draw a perpendicular line. On first, draw a perpendicular line. Then measure this much, 3 centimeter cut. You can take 4 centimeter, you can take, but 3 centimeter is okay. 3 centimeter, from 1, not from 0, from 1. Join this. So this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, so automatically it is root 2 unit. So OAB we can see. As per the Pythagoras theorem, AO square plus AB square is equal to BO square. So this is 1 square, this is 2 square. 1 square. 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1. This is BO square. 2 is equal to BO square. So BO is equal to root 2. So BO root 2. But calculation also must. Calculation you have to show in the exam. Then take this much length of rounder and cut from here O to B and cut the number line. From this cut the number line. So this is your root 2. Because this is root 2 we are cutting on number line. Again take this 0, 3 centimeter. Again 3 centimeter. This is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, join this and up to this, cut this. So this is your diagram number 1 for root 2. Now for root 3, you have to draw root 2. How? Root 3. Now root 3. So root 2 you have to repeat first. For root 3, root 2 is must. So from here you will draw perpendicular. Then this is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Then join this. Then you will cut this. So this is root 2. Now on root 2 draw perpendicular line. On root 2 draw perpendicular line. How much you have taken this? No, same. Means 3 centimeter. Cut 3 centimeters. Now you join this with this. And from this cut again this. Point will be here, here metal point, here pencil. Like this. So this is your root 3. Not on 2. 2 is this side, root 3 is this side. So again, this is O, this is A, this is B. But this much is root 2, this much is 1, this much is root 3. So who is speaking? OA square, AB square, BO square. AO square is root 2 square plus 1 square BO square. Root 2 plus 1 BO square. 3 is equal to BO square. So root 3 is equal to BO. For this is the diagram. Root 2 we have drawn. Root 3 we have drawn. Root 4 means 2. 2 directly we can show. So root 2, root 3, root 4 they will not ask. Now root 5. Who is coming out, coming in? Okay, now root 5. Root 5. Same like this, but now we have not to take 1, we will take 2 at a time. 2 and here draw perpendicular. 2 and perpendicular. Then 3 centimeter, again 3 centimeters, small one. Now join this Now take a rounder, metal point here, pencil point here, like this. Cut. So this is root 5. Now O A B, OA square plus AB square is equal to BO square. This time we have taken 2 square, 1 square, BO square, 2 to the 1, 1 1 the 1, BO square. 4 plus 1, 5. So root 5. So this is root. Again I am explaining. Take 2, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1 and 2. Then draw 90 degree. Then again 1. Then join this. Then cut this. This is root 5 on a number line. But this and this also, this is root 5. So 1 plus 1, 2 square, 1 square, 2 square, 4, 1 square, 1, 4 plus 1, 5, under root 5. Root 2, root 3, now root 5. Root 5, now root 7, sorry. For root 7, you have to show. See, for root 3 we have drawn root 2 first. From root 2, root 3 we have shown. Now from root 5, root 6 and root 7. Root 7 directly we can't show like this, like this. So for root 7 we need root 5 plus root 6 plus root 7. How? See, this is 1 and 2. So draw here. Then 1 centimeter, so 3. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Here 2 unit, here 1 unit. Join this. Then from this to this, cancel. So this is your root 5. On root 5 same point, draw perpendicular. Cut height 1, again 1 height, same. Then from metal point here, pencil point here, this is root 6. Root 5, root 6, again draw 90. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, means 1 unit. Join this. Now this is root 6. This is 1. So automatically this is root 7. How? O A B, OA square, AB square, OB square. Now this time we have taken root 5, root 6. So root 6 is the last. Height is 1. Root 6 square is 6. 1 is 1. 6 plus 1, 7. It is BO square. So BO, this one is. These 4 diagrams are very important. And that decimal also I have repeat the previous topic. So this 4 diagram I would like to explain once again. Out of 4, 100% they are going to ask one diagram. Which are that? Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. Root 2. Draw a number line. Take 1 unit, that is of 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Join. So take it as a 1. So square of 1 plus square of 1, 1, 2. BO square. Taking square root on both the side. So BO is equal to root 2. So this much is root 2. Then this, cut the line. That point where it cut the number line, that is root 2. Now again draw root 2. On root 2 draw perpendicular. Same to same height, 3 centimeter. Swati alone. Why these people are speaking? I can't understand. Anytime, even 10th standard students are not doing like this. Anytime you are making your mic on. That is why I need two helpers. Please, at least two students contact me from this class. So I will show you how to, because no, again and again. Remove immediately. Here now I have to search who are there. But you don't worry, all the things are recorded. So root 2, on root 2 same height, 3 cm, 3 cm, join. Then this, that will be root 3. How to show the calculation? Root 2 square plus 1 square. Root 2 square means 2, 1 square means 1. So this is 3, BO square, so square root, so under root 3. Now 5, 3, like 3, 5 is very easy. In 3, what we have taken, in root 2, what we have taken? 1 and 1 unit. Here we will take 2 and 1 unit, 2 and 1 unit, 2 and 1 unit, 2 unit. My screen is correct. Maybe your network problem. Wait, and don't send the message I sent. No. Those who have network issue, you don't worry. I'll send the video. But see, with this all disturbance. Okay, for 5, it is 2 and 1 unit. 2 to the 4, 1 unit, 1 square 1, 4 plus 1 5 under root 5. For 7, draw this root 5. On root 5, same height 3 cm. Join. Cut. That is root 6. On root 6 again 3 cm height. Join. So root 5, root 6 and root 6 you will get root 7. So from here to here, whose mic is on? So root 6 square is equal to 6. Root 6 square and 1 square is equal to 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. It is under root 7. So whatever I am doing in my lectures, that same you have to write in workbook also, in notebook also. Because all internal marks are more and your result will depend on internal marks only. So try to write every day, otherwise at the end the work will increase. Okay. So complete daily work. And at least 2 students I want as a helper in this co-host. Got it, beta? And if you have any doubts, any questions, send questioning your doubts in the group. Definitely I'll try to solve. But Atharva and what 2 students have given me, but phone was switch off and